It's giving what it should be giving. Y'all are sleeping on Bobbi Boss's human hair units because, girl, that lace is lacing.
Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, plus you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking it easy like poco a poco.
Guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another human hair unit from Bobbi Boss. This one is the MHLF516L Nahla 24 in the color number natural black, and this is what the stock card looks like. So let me just jump right into the specs of this unit. So with this unit, you get your typical cap construction as far as your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. It does come pre-plucked, it does have baby hairs, and it does come with a pre-attached elastic band. And definitely note to you guys, this one is qualified as a 360 unit, which means it does have lace in the back. So you can go in and throw it up into a ponytail or do various styles like that. If you feel the need to take advantage of that 360 lace, you definitely do have that as an option. Now the cap size on this one, you guys, is definitely going to be small to medium head friendly. I definitely would not say that this one is big head friendly, y'all. Luckily, I was able to make it kind of work for myself, but it definitely was some work because this cap really doesn't really have stretch, you guys. So you do get that 13x4 HD lace parting space. Like I said, it's pre-plucked, it has the baby hairs. The density is definitely very pretty. I have it wet out now, and I want to say it's given about 130% density. It does kind of get bigger definitely when it kind of starts drying out, so I want to say at maximum it's like about 150% density. So this is definitely a super lightweight one, definitely not bulky, definitely not super heavy density. I think if you are somebody who likes a lot of hair like myself, this one's teetering right on the lines between being not enough and just enough hair, so definitely keep that in mind. Let me just come and show you guys what the hairline is looking like on this one. So I feel like the hairline is looking pretty good. And also do note, you guys, that it's not going to come looking like this. I did definitely go in and bleach this unit. I just felt the need to bleach the knots. And I feel like I did a pretty good job, honey, because that lace is lacing. So since this unit is human hair, of course, you do have the option to go in. You can add heat, you can bleach it, you could dye, you could do whatever you want to do. And I feel like it honestly took the bleach really well. I'm not feeling the vibe that this is given janky mixed human hair blend fibers. The hair quality itself feels really good. All I did to get this wave pattern defined, y'all, I have not put no products in this unit whatsoever. I literally just went in with my spray bottle to just get these curls defined the way that I wanted them to, and it does definitely take water very well. I have noticed that with a couple of the Bobbi Boss units that I've picked up in the past, these human hair ones, I feel like their hair quality is definitely pretty good. The hairlines are pretty good. So I feel like Bobbi Boss human hair units are definitely a good dupe if you're looking to kind of just branch out a little bit and you don't have the most experience with units, especially human hair units. I feel like they're very beginner friendly. The knots were kind of noticeable. I definitely would suggest either going in with concealer or just going in with some bleach if you're a little bit more experienced and just bleaching those knots out. The length on this one, like it says on the stock card, is 24 inches. I'm 5'3" for reference. I feel like it's true to length, and this one's coming like below my boobs. The texture on this unit, it's very soft, it's very nice. I am getting some snags here and there. I feel like maybe I need to go through and wet this unit some more, but I'm kind of liking this look that I'm going for right now. And I just am really hoping the more that it dries out, it gets more of this voluminous look, because this is what I was going for. So let me just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. The first con is definitely going to just be not related to the unit at all, which is going to be the price. So I know this price is definitely on the pricier side. But I would definitely say it's worth it, just because, like I said, I've tried other Bobbi Boss human hair units in the past, and they have lasted me a really good amount of time, and they have given me a lot of bang for my buck. So I feel like, at least in my personal opinion, the price is definitely worth the hair quality. Another con that I have with this unit is going to just be the cap size. Like I said, I was able to make it work for myself, but I do wish that the cap was a little bit bigger. Like I said, it's workable, but you're definitely gonna have to adhere it down if you have a head that's on the smaller to medium size, just like myself. Because I did go and add some of my Eben Wonder Bond Freeze Spray Extreme Hold Spray just to adhere the lace down. I really don't have any other cons with this unit. My pros on this unit are, I feel like the cap construction, aside from the actual size itself, was very well executed very well. I'm not feeling any trackage or anything like that. I'm not seeing a bunch of strayaways. I didn't even have to go in with my wax stick. I'm not seeing a gigantic length difference as far as like the frontal of the unit and the actual tracks of the unit. So I feel like that was great, because I think that's something I definitely am on the lookout when it comes to human hair units. Sometimes it's all over the place as far as like the frontal length itself and then the actual tracks of the unit, so I didn't have any issues with that. Like I said, the knots took the bleach very well. It doesn't seem like an issue with the actual hair quality being finicky as far as if it has some synthetic fibers or whatever in there. Not getting any of that. The fact that it took product very well. Like I said, this is just water, and this curl pattern that it's given is what it should be given. This is like minimal work, honestly, outside of bleaching the knots, honey. After you bleach the knots, throw this bad boy in your head, style it to the way that you like it. It's going to be a throw on and go. But if you're not somebody who knows how to bleach or not, to do all that extra stuff, you definitely could get away with just doing concealer, but definitely just beware, honey, that it won't look like this out of the box. Another pro that I have is just the quality of the hair. The length is nice. The density is nice. I just feel like as a whole, this one is definitely a good one. So this is actually reminding me of the Braylon unit that I picked up from them. That's also another human hair unit, but I kind of actually like this one better because I feel like I like the curl pattern on this one. I feel like a little bit better than the Braylon one, and also that's a definitely good fallback go-to if you see this unit, and by the time you see this review, it's sold out. Braylon is definitely like a dupe for this one. Yeah, so this is in the natural black. Just note that if you get a unit in the natural brown, it's not going to be this dark. It's going to be more on the brown side. And that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any units you want to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.